Good afternoon, student. Welcome to Khunga Academy. Today we will do a new series of GK question, which is very helpful for your Sainik school as well as RMS school. Here is the first question. Let's start first question. Who wrote Ashtadhyayi? Who wrote Ashtadhyayi? If you know the answer, please write. Panini. Panini. Ashtadhyayi written by Panini. Move to question number 2. Who wrote the book Exam Warrior? Who wrote the book Exam Warrior? It is written by PM Modi. Question number 3. Kimono is the traditional dress of which country? Kimono is the traditional dress of which country? So it is related to Japan. You know all the about of Japan, Parliament of Japan, capital of Japan. Question number 4. Which site is also known as Mound of Dead? Which site is also known as Mound of Dead? Mohenjo-daro. ये कब इसके एक्सक्रेटेड किया गया था? 1922 में इसकी खोज की गई थी बाय B.R. बैनर्जी. Question number 5. Name the 5th month of Hindu calendar. Name the 5th month of Hindu calendar. श्रावण, जिसको हम सावन भी बोलते हैं. तो फर्स्ट मंथ क्या हो गया? चैत. एंड लास्ट मंथ इज फागुन. लास्ट मंथ इज फागुन. तो 5th मंथ इज द श्रावणा. Question number 6. In which state is the Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary is located? In which state is the Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary is located? It is located in Goa. Capital of Goa is Panji. According to area wise, Goa is the smallest state of India. According to area wise, Goa is the smallest state of India. Question number 6. What is the new name of Wheeler Island? What is the new name of Wheeler Island? क्या नाम हो गया नया इनका? APJ Abdul Kalam. He is also known as Missile Man of India. इनको मिसाइल मैन ऑफ इंडिया भी बोला जाता है. Question number 8. In which state of India's first grain ATM has been set up? In which state of India's first grain ATM has been set up? It is in हरियाणा, हरियाणा में कहा? गुरुग्राम में। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, वेयर इज द ग्रेट विक्टोरिया डेजर्ट लोकेटेड? Where is the Great Victoria Desert located? It is located in Australia. Australia is the smallest continent of the world and its capital is Canberra. Question number 10. The Nobel Peace Prize is awarded in which city? The Nobel Peace Prize is awarded in which city? It is awarded in Oslo. The place is Oslo. Question number 11. First railway line were laid down India under which British governor? First railway line were laid down India under which British governor? तो किस ब्रिटिश गवर्नर के अंडर में फर्स्ट रेलवे लाइन बिछाई गई थी? लॉर्ड डलहौजी। लॉर्ड डलहौजी। कब हुई थी? 1853 में फर्स्ट टाइम हुई थी, मुंबई टू थाने। मुंबई टू थाने। Question number 12. Who was the founder of Brahmo Samaj? Who was the founder of Brahmo Samaj? Raja Ram Mohan Rai। राजा राम मोहन राय। इन्होंने 1829 में सती प्रथा भी बैन कराई थी। उस समय जो गवर्नर जनरल थे लॉर्ड विलियम बेंटिंक थे, जिन्होंने सपोर्ट किया था राजा राम मोहन राय को सती प्रथा को बैन करने के लिए। और कब हुई थी सती प्रथा बैन? 1829 में। तो फाउंडर ऑफ ब्रह्म समाज राजा राम मोहन राय। क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. इन इंडिया कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज आर टेकन फ्रॉम विच कंट्री? In Indian Constitution, fundamental duties are taken from which country? It is taken from Russia. There are 11 fundamental duties. Question number 14. International Youth Day celebrated on which day? International Youth Day celebrated on which day? It is celebrated on 12th August. Question number 15. Who has won the National Film Award 2021 in Best Actor Male category? Who has won the National Film Award 2021 in the Best Actor Male category? तो 2 पर्सन को मिला था। फर्स्ट इज मनोज बाजपेयी एंड सेकंड इज धनुष। Question number 16. Name the tallest human-made structure of the world. Name the tallest human-made structure of the world. Question ये भी हो सकता है. Tallest building of the world is Burj Khalifa. बुर्ज खलीफा. और स्टैच्यू ऑफ द वर्ल्ड आ जाता तो क्या होता आंसर? सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल का जो स्टैच्यू ऑफ यूनिटी है वो वर्ल्ड का लार्जेस्ट स्टैच्यू है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 17. हु स्लोगन वाज जय जवान जय किसान. हु स्लोगन इज जय जवान जय किसान. लाल बहादुर शास्त्री. सेकंड प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया. Question number 18. Where will be the venue of 2024 Summer Olympic Games? अभी जो पीछे हुआ था वो 32 संस्करण था समर ओलंपिक गेम का, जो कि टोक्यो में हुए थे. अब 2024 कहाँ पे होंगे? पेरिस. Question number 19. Which planet was named after the Roman god Zeus? Which planet was named after the Roman god Zeus? S लगा लो यहाँ पे. Zeus. Zeus. तो किसके था? जुपिटर. Jupiter. It is the largest planet of our solar system. And between Jupiter and Mars, asteroid belt are found. Question number 20. From which direction the Earth rotates on its axis? From which direction the Earth rotates around its axis? West to east. West to east. Question number 21. The study of lakes is called. The study of lakes is called limnology. Question number 22. What is the name of hot air blowing in New Zealand? What is the name of hot air blowing in New Zealand? Nor'wester. Nor'wester. Question number 23. How many official languages are in of the United Nations organization? How many official languages are in the United Nations organization? There are 6 languages. 6 languages हैं. कौन कौन सी हैं वो? अरेबिक है, चाइनीज है, इंग्लिश है, स्पेनिश। There are 6 languages: Arabic, Chinese, English, French, Russian and Spanish. Question number 24. Who was the first Indian? यहाँ पे आप इसको वुमन कर लीजिए ऊपर। Who was the first Indian woman to become the president of the UN General Assembly? Answer is Pandit Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit, first Indian woman to become the president of the UN General Assembly. Question number 25th. Who was the founder of Facebook? Who was the founder of Facebook? Mark Zuckerberg. Mark Zuckerberg. आई होप आप सभी को ये सीरीज पसंद आई होगी। मिलते हैं आपसे नेक्स्ट क्लास में, तब तक के लिए गुड बाय एंड हैव अ गुड डे।